This is Kalia from Mediotronics, just doing a quick demonstration on the latest Class 4 high-powered laser unit that we've brought in. Just to give you a couple of benefits of the high-powered laser over a cold, low-level laser therapy. So your energy transmission is a lot higher going into a patient, and the main benefits would be much shorter treatment time. So you're getting results a lot quicker than with the low-level laser therapy due to the fact that you're transferring a lot more joules of energy into the patient's skin and also further into the tissue and other places. Because of the high-powered laser, it can also penetrate a lot deeper than low-level laser therapy. So you're not treating only skin conditions and topographical conditions, but rather deeper tissue conditions and as such as well. So sports injuries, you can also use it for wound healing, but the whole point of having a high-powered laser is you can get a deeper therapy from it. So just to give you a quick rundown, it's got two different types of heads. So you've got a non-contact head here, which allows some spacing between you and your patient. Your light transfer is going to be quite high through this as well, but remember it's slightly more spread. Then when you're using, this is known as a massage ball head. So this allows deeper penetration into your patient with light. The reason being for that is you actually press this against your patient's skin, and it allows for like a warm massage feeling while you're doing the treatment itself. So patients themselves tend to prefer this head over the non-contact head. I'm just going to give you an idea of what it looks like. So this specific laser is a 30 watt output laser. You've got two different nanometer wavelengths of light. So you've got an 810 nanometer and a 980 nanometer, which you can work independently completely, or you can work them in conjunction. So just to give you an idea, unlock the device. You've got a whole list of preset protocols that are neglected by body areas or treatment areas. So just for demonstration purposes, we'll choose cervical, confirm. And now you'll see with the older low-level laser therapies, you would have to work out how much energy transmission you need in a certain patient's size, their skin color, and also their pain level. So all of those formulas are now worked out directly for you on the unit. So you need only choose body size of the patient, the skin color, and their pain level, which I would recommend starting off on moderate. And you'll see then it's all of the settings are then preset for you. So your joules, your amount of energy you want to transfer in that certain area, the timer in seconds, that's 370 seconds, and then it's going to be outputting 3.5 watts on each nanometer. So that's a total of 7 watts in total that's being transferred at the moment. Go through to confirm, and you'll see here you can just click the ready button and then you start the treatment. Make sure to wear your glasses as usual with the button that's on here. So you'll see this massage head is really nice for getting good contact with the patient's skin. And if you have it on a constant output, you might get a bit of you will get a bit of a warming feeling on the head, which is also nice for the massage. The thing about high-powered laser is you need to move it around roughly like you do with an ultrasound head. Because of the amount of light that's being transferred through, you don't need to stay in the same area for a long period of time, as you would do with a low-level laser therapy, because you've already transferred that light through to the patient. Another thing that I thought I'd just show you is that it does have the option as well. You can save all of your treatments, keep a record of each patient and each therapy so that you can carry on from where you left your last therapy. And you can also add in their pain thresholds, how they're feeling, so you can keep a record of the progress that you're making with the therapies as well. So another thing that I thought I'd just show you is that this can be run, at the moment it's on constant output. It can also be run on super pulsed, which is what some of the lower level laser therapies do. So you put it then onto repeat, and you put your pulse delay as high as it can go. So that's going to be the delay between each light pulse. You're not going to see it specifically on the head itself. I'll show you with the delay on, because the pulses are faster than what your eye can pick up. But with the pulsed output, you would then take away any thermal effects that you get in the tissue itself. So if you're wanting to do a slower treatment or treat trigger points or certain areas without moving the probe around too much, then you would put it onto a pulsed output and then just run it like that. As you'll see, the output is still about the same because it's pulsing quicker than what your eyes can pick up. But you'll feel there's no thermal effect on the pulsed output, which allows you to then keep it still and treat a trigger point or an area for longer. This laser as well, as you can see, comes in an option of 4 wavelengths. So this specific one is only doing 810 and 980, but you can have an option of 635 and 915 nanometers as well. So I hope you enjoyed. That's just a rundown of the latest laser. Keep tuned for any more videos of demonstrations.